6 o'clock, and first up for you tonight, as cases in our state jump to the highest levels we have seen in months. Two more countries, Brazil and Japan, have now discovered their first Omicron cases.
And just an hour ago, an FDA panel endorsed a new treatment for the virus. Merck's COVID pill could be the first available to treat COVID-19 here in the U.S.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter, our chief political reporter, Susan Raff, is live with what our state could do to help stop an even bigger surge. Susan?
Mark, as you've seen, many of the mandates that have been in place in Connecticut have been relaxing, but they could be coming back. Once again, Governor Lamont is talking about doing what other states are doing, keeping track of your vaccine status.
In the last few weeks, we have spiked up, and we're at 6% today, which is the highest we've been, in many, many months.
The last time Connecticut had a 6% COVID positivity rate was last January, 10 months ago. Governor Lamont was the guest speaker at the Connecticut Conference of Municipalities, a group of more than 700 elected leaders who are all concerned about COVID.
Everything is still all pandemic all the time, so they are dealing with that.
CCM's executive director says cities and towns are focused on pandemic recovery, how to get things back open. But nearly 2 years into the pandemic, and there are more challenges. The Omicron variant is quickly spreading. The CDC has now expanded surveillance at 4 airports. Governor Lamont says masks will stay in place in our schools. But when it comes to stores and restaurants, he wants municipalities to make the call on whether customers should be vaccinated. New York has rolled out an Excelsior Pass, a site which shows digital proof of COVID vaccinations or negative test results. Lamont says he's not pushing for a vaccine passport, but something similar, a digital health record where data would be collected by the state health department.
A lot of people are doing it themselves, right? They're putting their QR code, they're putting it on their phones and things like that. All we would do is make it easier for them to do so and standardize it.
Governor Lamont says some businesses have asked him to look into this authentication system for vaccines. He says he's not going to do anything unless he sees what other states in the region are doing, because it will be more effective that way. He also made a point of saying today we may not see anything like this happen this year, but maybe next year. Live in the newsroom, Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Susan, thank you very much. Now, as Susan just said, the positivity rate has jumped again to the highest that we've seen in almost a year, now at 5.96%. There have been more than 900 more positive cases in the past day. 11 more people are also in the hospital, and that brings the total there up to 365. You can always see the full case count on the Channel 3 app.